Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be solving this Rubik's Cube. I scrambled it up, and we have a stopwatch timer. Let's see how many can this stopwatch do for us. Let's do this. Let's see how much does it take to solve the cube. In 3, 2, 1. Hang on. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this way. 3, 2, 1. Oh! OMG! I solved the Rubik's Cube in 16 seconds! Bro! Look! OMG! 16 seconds! Wow! I can't believe this took that minute to solve a Rubik's Cube for me! I am so smart! If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. Don't forget the link in the pinned comment and turn on your notifications. Bye!